Google just added an AI chatbot to search. Here's what it means: Google just changed how billions of people search the internet. Again, a new AI mode is now live in the US, adding chatbot-style responses right into Google Search. Unveiled at Google's annual developers conference in California, AI mode lets you interact with search like you're chatting with an expert. It uses Google's Gemini chatbot to handle longer, more complex queries, things you'd normally need to dig through multiple websites to figure out. Think fewer clicks, faster answers. But it's not just about saving time. It's about keeping users inside Google's ecosystem longer. Google is feeling the heat from ChatGPT, which redefined what search could look like. With advertising still Google's golden goose, any shift in how people interact with results could hit the bottom line. As Corey Johnson from Epistrophe Capital puts it, Google is getting better at answering questions, but worse at generating clicks. And clicks mean money. Plus, with regulators watching closely after a US judge ruled Google holds a search monopoly, every move counts. Google's AI push doesn't stop at the search bar. They also teased augmented reality smart glasses, partnering with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster. The goal? Beat Meta's Ray-Bans with camera, mic, and speaker integration. And there's more. Google plans to roll out a paid AI subscription, just like OpenAI and Microsoft have done. But not every AI rollout has been smooth. Last year's AI Overviews feature, which gave comically bad advice, like eating rocks or using glue on pizza, drew ridicule across the internet. Still, Google claims it's now one of their most successful launches, with over 1.5 billion uses per month. AI mode might just redefine search forever, or raise even bigger questions about trust, transparency, and how much power Google holds. Would you rather talk to Google or click through links yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay with Tech Now for more breaking stories where AI meets the everyday.